In this video, you're going to learn how to rebuild your self-worth. So let's begin by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath. And I want you to imagine someone handing you a newborn baby to hold. And feel the weight of this tiny little being. And notice how your arms naturally cradle them. This precious life. And how instinctively you want to protect them. And look at their little face. And those tiny little fingers. And that soft new skin. This is a human being in their purest form. Just minutes old. And now I want you to ask yourself, what does this baby need to do to deserve your protection? What achievements must this child accomplish to be worthy of gentle hands and kind words? And what criteria must they meet to deserve safety, nourishment, and love? The answer probably flows through you naturally. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This baby deserves your care and protection simply because they exist. Their worthiness is their birthright, and it's woven into the very fabric of their being. Now imagine that same child growing. And watch as they take their first step and speak their first words. And see them fall and get back up again and again and again. And watch as they experience joy and fear and confusion and love. See them make their first friend and experience their first heartbreak. And let the years pass by your eyes and see the child facing challenges. And they make mistakes. And sometimes they're kind, and sometimes they lash out in pain. And they experience betrayal. And yes, sometimes they betray others too. And they carry wounds that aren't visible to the eye. Programming deep in their nervous system by every harsh word, every frightening moment, and every time they were made to feel small or unworthy. And now, see this child at your current age. And look closely. Can you see how beneath all the layers of hurt, beneath all the protective armor they've built up, beneath all of their mistakes and regrets, that they are still that same precious being you held in your arms? Did their worthiness have an expiration date? Did their right to be treated with dignity and respect disappear somewhere along the way? Now, keeping your eyes closed, place your hand over your heart and feel its steady rhythm. This is the same heartbeat, the same heart that has been beating since before you drew your first breath. And in this moment, I want you to realize something profound. You are that baby. You were born complete, worthy, and deserving of love. Not because of anything you did, but simply because you exist. And nothing that has happened to you, and nothing that you have done, and no mistake or regret or failure has changed this fundamental truth. You were enough then. You are enough now. And you will always be enough. Take another deep breath. And feel this truth settle into your bones. And let it wash over the parts of you that forgot or never knew. And let it reach the places inside of you that have been carrying shame and guilt or unworthiness. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this reminder with you. Your worthiness was never something you needed to earn. And it has been there with you all along, just waiting to be remembered. If you're ready to go deeper into your healing journey, to go further inwards, you'll find a link to a Inner Child Healing Starter Kit below. Because you are worthy and you do deserve to heal. Sending love.